Federal High Court sitting in Lagos State, Nigeria has ordered a graduate to pay the sum of 2 million naira as option of fine, or he would spend 2 years imprisonment for disguising as if he was a popular Nigerian music star, Chinedu Okoli aka Flavour, in April 2021 and acted as a lover boy to defraud an American woman the sum of $53,000. The convict was arrested in June 2024 by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) after 3 years from the date the crime was committed. As at April 2021, when the crime was committed, the exchange rate of $1 to naira was 482 nairas. This, likely, the convict defrauded the victim about 25.5 million nairas. According to EFCC, the convict has refunded 7.9 million nairas. Details of the report as presented by EFCC Public Relations Unit via news release on Thursday reads below. Justice Dehinde Defraud of the Federal High Court sitting in Ikoyi, Lagos, on Tuesday, September 3, 2024, convicted and sentenced one Ipaka Courage to 2 years imprisonment for presenting himself as Chinedu Okoli, also known as Flavour, a Nigerian singer, to dupe a United States of America citizen, Mrs. Yvette M. Thompson, of the sum of $53,000. Courage, a graduate of philosophy, was arraigned on Tuesday by the Lagos Directorate of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on a 2-count charge bordering on cybercrimes and money laundering. Count 1 reads, that you, Ipaka Courage, sometime in April 2021 in Lagos, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, directly made a false statement, wherein you held yourself out as a Nigerian entertainer by name, Chinedu Okoli aka Flavour Nabanya, on your Telegram account, knowing the same to be false and with intent that the representation is relied upon for the purpose of procuring the issuance of financial instrument to yourself, and thereby committed an offense contrary to and punishable under Section 22(3) of the Cybercrimes Prohibition, Prevention, etc. FCC, to review the facts of the case. The defendant, Ekpa said, was arrested in Lagos on June 10, 2024. He added, upon his arrest by operatives of the Lagos Directorate, he volunteered his statement. In his statement, he confessed to have been involved in a dating scam, and that he used his platform to impersonate Chinedu Okoli aka Flavour Nabanya. He also confessed to having obtained the sum of $53,000 from one Mrs. Yvette M. Thompson under the pretense that he would perform on her birthday in Washington, D.C. in July 2021. The money was transferred through a Bitcoin wallet he created in order to receive the proceeds of crime. In his further review of the facts, Ekpa said, he also admitted to have forged the Nigerian international passport data page of Mr. Chinedu Okoli aka Flavour Nabanya, and also created a fictitious email address, which he used to communicate with the victim. He had restituted the sum of 7 nairas, 900,000 by raising a manager's check. Suleiman, thereafter, applied to tender, in evidence, the defendant's extrajudicial statement, and bank statement, printout of chats between him and the victim, as well as the Bitcoin wallet statement from Binance. Justice Defraud admitted them as exhibits. Counsel to the convict, Bayo A. Philip, prayed the court to temper justice with mercy, adding that he is a first-time offender and he did not waste the time of the court. My lord, he did not channel the proceeds of his offense into living lavishly. Rather, he used it to further his education and is now a graduate of philosophy. Consequently, Justice Defraud convicted and sentenced the defendant to 1 year imprisonment on count 1, with an option of fine of 1 million nairas. He was also convicted and sentenced to 1 year imprisonment on count 2, with an option of fine of 1 million nairas. The judge ordered that the money be forfeited to the petitioner and also remanded the convict in the EFCC custody pending the fulfillment of the order within 21 days. Courageous journey to the correctional center began when he was arrested by operatives of the Lagos Directorate of the EFCC for internet fraud. He was charged to court and convicted.
Flavour, bringing you the news in a more digital way.